DRICORE Pro Concrete Repair is one of the strongest concrete crack repair systems. DRICORE Pro Concrete Repair kits have been designed and engineered to seal, fill, and structurally reinforce concrete. You will need safety goggles, a safety mask, and gloves. You will also need to gather the required tools. The steps required for installing the carbon fiber reinforcement kit are 1. Location preparation. 2. Surface grinding. 3. Carbon fiber placement. 4. Epoxy application. Each kit will fix approximately one wall crack that measures 7.5 feet long. Step 1. Location preparation. Locate where the carbon fiber reinforcement kit will be installed. Mark the crack at the top, middle, and bottom of the wall. Mark 6 inches on both sides of the crack at the top, bottom, and middle locations. Step 2. Surface grinding. Grind the foundation wall where the crack repair material will be installed until you have reached a bare foundation and expose the aggregate in the concrete or masonry. Step 3. Carbon fiber placement. Measure the height of the crack and add 6 inches. Wearing gloves, mark and cut carbon fiber to length. Place the carbon fiber strap against the wall to ensure the entire crack will be covered. The additional 6 inches of carbon fiber allows you to cover more surface area than the crack itself takes up. Put the carbon fiber aside and proceed with the next step. Step 4. Epoxy application. Wearing gloves, apply a thin layer of epoxy to the foundation wall, working from top to bottom, covering the entire prepped surface. Using a plastic putty knife, trowel epoxy to achieve a uniform coating. Lay the carbon fiber over the epoxy, ensuring the carbon fiber completely covers the crack. Apply a thin layer of epoxy on the carbon fiber, working from the top to bottom in S shapes. Use light strokes with a plastic putty knife to spread epoxy horizontally across the carbon fiber's toes, focusing on the edges for a clean and secure installation. The epoxy takes from 2 to 10 hours to cure. Optionally, you can now paint over the surface of the carbon fiber for a discreet finish.
DRICORE, don't build without it.